glider. Shoo! Wow! That was crazy real. Look into my trays with you. We have two extra plates. We have a red one and a green one. Yeah. Are you ready to see what's inside of my extra plates? Okay, let's see what's inside. What I got? CATBOY! Wow! Wow! Motorcycle, let's motorcycle, and GEKKO motorcycle. I got GEKKO watch and CATBOY watch. I got a GEKKO watch and a CATBOY watch. Wow, wow. Look, I got GEKKO and OWLETTE and another GEKKO.
Wow. Wow.
I got CATBOY and GEKKO. Look guys, I got ROMEO. Look guys, I got GEKKO. Look guys, I got Grim. I got OWLETTE.
Wow!
What's inside in this extra box? Whoa!
It's time to be a hero.
Whoa! Like the GEKKO boat. Whoa, like the CATBOY car. The other glider. Shoo! Oh, guys, a Peter Match puzzle. I got no way. Now I have the last puzzle. Is that right? No?